Hello everyone, this is Thor Young with Bear Bull Traders, and I'd like to do a recap for you on my Roku trade. Roku is a good stock for me today. I'm in a pretty choppy market. I tried to trade on Fitch, got about 50 or 60 bucks on that one, but it got stopped out real quick. But got into Roku here a little bit later on what I really felt like was a really good fundamental read. I'm really happy about how this went. If you guys aren't showing up for the pre-market show or paying attention to the levels that Carlos, Peter, and Norm are pulling for you guys, you're really missing some vital information. So if you can, make sure like this video, but then also ring the bell for the channel so that you get notified when we're going live. And the reason you want this information is for stuff like this. Now, you know, Andrew talks about how magic these levels are. Well, let's look at Roku. One of the main levels we pulled on Roku was this 152.90. After Roku had a big sell-off back in early October, it consolidated and could not break above this 152.90. So that was definitely acting at that point in time as a pretty solid resistance level for it then before it had a major breakdown. So after that breakdown, it's been working to gain steam back up for a while, but the past few days, especially this past week, it has been back into the old familiar Roku beast mode that we all fell in love with. So as Roku's been pushing up and gaining steam, what I really wanted to see is Roku going to break out from that level? So it was teetering here on this, it had rejected before from 151, 154, 125. So what we're really looking for, if you look here on my 1 minute, let's go to 151.25. I'll mark that. We'll call it 24. What I wanted to see was, will it hold this and break above this level, or is it going to reject off of this level, lose previous day, and then go down? So that's the whole thing I'm looking for. Now, Roku got up here and it got above 152.90, so that was very exciting. And once it got and managed to close a couple of candles above 152.90, I went ahead and went long in it. Right after getting long, I got a couple quick pops. My whole time on all of this, my risk will be the loss of 152.90. So I went ahead and went long here. I got a couple quick pops, but then got stopped out. So I have a rule that if I start taking partials, I have to stop out. The reason for that rule is generically, if it comes all the way back to your level, go ahead and stop out. If it manages to hold that level and not break down further, you can go ahead and get back in. Now you have a fresh set of shares with a little profit in the tank and a fresh set of risk that you can judge off of. So it went down, stopped me out, but it held ever so nicely. The L2 was looking beautiful. We had a ladder, so orders on the asks stacked in intervals all the way up, especially big orders at 154, big orders at 155, and big orders at 156. So all I'm waiting for now is for it to pop. It took a little pop, so I got a partial here at this high level again, just in case it rejected and broke down. Could double top, you never know. So I got a little partial there just to cover things, and it came back down, made me a little nervous, but these levels, guys, 152.90 to the penny, held it, didn't break through it. My stop was right on the other side of it, but it popped right up, held this, and then bam, right up to 156 like a rocket. So we got in there. I've still got some shares on right now that I'm actually holding, hoping to get up to 157. So even with not a whole lot of shares, you can see here, I managed to get in here and I have over 282.75 realized on this trade. I've got 35 unrealized. My daily goal is 300. So on this one trade, I could cash out for 300. Luckily, I made 50 or 60 on the other trade, so I'm going to hold on to this and see if we can at least get to 157 and drop the rest of these 15 shares. That'll put me up at probably about 325, 330 on just this single trade. So I hope everybody sees a little bit about how to use these levels and how to use them for confirmation of your order. That paired with good risk management and a level 2 that's in your favor can certainly yield in some great profits, making for an easy day in what was a quite choppy day on the market. Hope you guys are all having a great day, trading well, and staying green. Thanks.